Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to fix reminder apps not showing in notification settings on iPhone in just a few easy steps. But before that, here's what we will cover. Solution number 1. Disable Do Not Disturb and use personal focus. Solution 2. Adjust notification settings. Solution 3. Turn off mute notifications. Solution number 4. Offload or reinstall the Reminders app. Let us get started. Solution number 1. Disable Do Not Disturb and use personal focus. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the control center. Then turn off Do Not Disturb and switch to personal focus. In personal focus, you can choose which apps are allowed to send notifications. Make sure to include reminders so you will get alerted for your task. Solution number 2. Adjust notification settings. Open the Settings app, tap Notifications, and select Show Previews to Always. Go back and scroll down to the Reminders app and make sure Allow Notifications and Time-Sensitive Notifications are enabled. Check sounds to pick your alert, and set Show Previews to Always. Restart your iPhone, and your Reminders notifications should now work. Solution number 3. Turn off mute notifications. Go back to Settings, and then go to Apps. Select Reminders. Scroll down and turn off mute notifications. This ensures your reminders are not accidentally silenced. Solution number 4. Offload or reinstall the Reminders app. Open the Settings app and select General. Next, tap on the iPhone storage and search for the Reminders app. Offload the app, then reinstall. If that doesn't fix the issue, delete the app and reinstall it from the App Store. And that's it. The Reminders app should now show up in notification settings and alert you as expected. And hey, for disclaimer purposes only, this video is for educational purposes only. The steps shown are based on publicly available iPhone settings and features. Please use caution when adjusting notification or app settings. Results may vary depending on your iPhone model, iOS version, or app configurations. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with or endorsed by Apple Company and is not responsible for any issues that may arise from following this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And hey, if this video helped you out, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick iPhone tips. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for